Since ChatGPT's release in November 2022, artificial intelligence, or AI tools, have exploded in popularity. Experts in business and technology have been predicting that these powerful and low-cost AI tools will lead to job losses in a wide range of white-collar professions, including high-paying jobs that were previously thought irreplaceable by technology. Such jobs including lawyers, teachers, writers, artists, programmers, engineers, and even medical personnel. Should we be worried about these alarming predictions of mass job loss? If so, are there anything we humans can do to survive and maybe even thrive in the inevitable AI augmented future? Let's explore. This is 21st Century Report. We bring you global news and analysis for you to succeed in the 21st century. If you're viewing this video, then you know that AI tools like ChatGPT, MidJourney, Stable Diffusion, and Microsoft Copilot have triggered a series of profound chain reactions, sweeping across professions, industries, and even nations. News media and research organizations confirm that AI tools have already started to displacing human workers. As reported by the Wall Street Journal and the New York Post in June 2023, only 6 months after ChatGPT's release, 3,900 people lost their jobs due to AI technology. This is only the tip of the iceberg, as this is the first time artificial intelligence was cited as a reason for job loss. As AI technology becomes more stable, more mature, and more widely used, AI tools are likely to cause massive job disruptions, according to many business and technology experts. One particular report by CNN stated that researchers believe the AI revolution could replace 300 million white-collar jobs in Europe and the United States. Are there any merits to these alarming reports about the upcoming massive white-collar job losses? If so, are there anything we can do to help ourselves? The fear that technology and automation will lead to job loss is not new. From a historical perspective, it seems that such fear is short-sighted and may even be laughable. One famous story frequently used to ridicule the fear for new technology is the experience of the first mass automation attempt in 1589, when Englishman William Lee invented the knitting machine, believing that he could liberate millions of housewives from the burdensome task of hand sewing. However, Queen Elizabeth I refused to grant Lee a patent due to her concern that the knitting machine would cause textile workers to lose their jobs. The Queen stated, "Your invention will turn my poor subjects into beggars." Well, as we know, the Queen's concern was unwarranted, and that innovation in technology generally have led to creation of jobs rather than destruction. Indeed, data for the G7 countries showed that unemployment rate generally fluctuated with business cycles and had little correlation with technology innovation or industrial revolution. But this time is different. While long-term historical trends may be comforting, a blind belief in that everything will work itself out may not be wise in this case here. After all, this AI-led revolution will be the first of its kind for two reasons. One, this will be the first time white-collar jobs, i.e. the vast majority of the professional service industries, aka office jobs, are being affected. Two, a wide spectrum of industries and professions are impacted. Even professions that were previously thought to be the most resistant to automation, including the so-called creative fields, such as artists, writers, musicians, and yes, programmers, and human service professions, such as teachers, doctors, and lawyers. On this point, it is noteworthy that service-based economies, such as the United States, could be particularly prone from AI technology disruptions, as 70% of US GDP comes from service industries. According to a recent McKinsey research, current AI tools could impact some 850 different occupations. McKinsey believes that half of today's work activities in the United States could be automated between the year 2030 and 2060. Given this data, it is easy to see why many experts and pundits express concerns and fears about AI technology's potential to disrupt and displacing human workers. Without a question, the speed and wide adoption of these powerful AI tools will lead to major changes to our job market. So naturally, we asked ChatGPT for advice on how we can prepare for and compete with AI technologies in the job market. ChatGPT happily dispensed a laundry list of free suggestions. The results are edited for brevity and shown below. 1. Embrace lifelong learning. Invest in continuous learning and skill development. Okay, this is a fair advice. We know that it is important to identify emerging trends and technologies in our fields, so to acquire the necessary skills to adapt to new job requirements. Fine. Number 2, focus on high-value tasks. Identify tasks that require human creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and complex problem solving, so to differentiate oneself from AI tools with unique value contribution. Again, fair advice, but what are the so-called high-value tasks? This is difficult to define since AI's capabilities and limits are not yet known. Where and how humans can add unique value may only be apparent after a few potentially painful cycles of human versus machine competitions. And lastly, our favorite advice according to ChatGPT, our current AI overlord. Number 3, collaborate with AI systems. Instead of seeing AI as a threat, focus on leveraging it as a tool for productivity enhancement. Embrace collaboration with AI system as a means to increase efficiency and effectiveness in your work. ChatGPT then happily concluded that by embracing these strategies, human workers can position themselves to thrive alongside AI technology, leveraging their unique strengths and skills to create values in the new working landscape. Well, although we can't help but to sense a bit of self-serving here by ChatGPT, but we have to admit that overall, most of these free advices seems to be quite logical. So, thank you ChatGPT, your overlordness. We concur and we obey. Hi, did you know this is 21st Century Report's very first video? We're so thankful that you're spending your valuable time with us. If you enjoyed this video, we would really appreciate your encouragement if you would hit that like bell, and we would love to have you subscribe to our channel so that you can get all the exciting videos we're working on for you. And to thank you for liking our video, here's a bonus section on some specific new job opportunities we humans should pay attention to in light of our new AI office mates. As AI continues to evolve, some jobs for human workers will surely be eliminated. But there will also be new opportunities we can start to prepare for. Again, we asked ChatGPT for its thoughts on some possible new professions in the AI-augmented work environment. And ChatGPT happily rattled off a list of such new opportunities. We edited the list for brevity as shown below. Number 1, AI technology trainer, supervisor. Okay, self-explanatory. Number 2, quality control, compliance regulation officer, data information controller. Okay, makes sense to us. Number 3, AI augmented content creator, experience creator, / virtual reality designer. Fine, we know this is coming. Number 4, AI integration / automation specialist. Well, this could use some clarifications, as the integration here could mean biotech integration, i.e. think Elon Musk's Neuralink, or software-hardware integration, for instance, incorporating AI into cars or other machineries. This is a big topic that we will explore in another video in the future. And number 5, hardware engineering. This was not suggested by ChatGPT, but rather our own thinking. We believe more reliance on digital technology means increased need for workers who can build and maintain physical assets needed to process, connect, and store digital information. As such, hardware engineers should be in great demand. Conclusion. Here at the 21st Century Report, we believe as machines and technology become more prevalent in the decision-making process, it is even more important to foster and maintain our human connections. Indeed, the key to compete with powerful AI technology is the development of strong interpersonal skills and the building of our relationships with colleagues, clients, and stakeholders. Maintaining our humanistic connections and our human communities may not only help us to save our jobs, but also save our sense and sensibilities in an increasingly technology-driven society. In fact, we started this video channel because we want to build a community of thinkers and doers. We are so glad to see you here. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you like this video, please provide your encouragement by hitting that like bell and subscribe to this brand new channel. Years later, you can brag that you were one of the first subscribers to the 21st Century Report channel. And how cool is that? And we would love to hear what you think about our channel. So go ahead and send us your thought via the comment box below. Our goal is to bring you global news and analysis that you can benefit from. We need your encouragement to keep us going. Thank you again. We hope to see you very soon. Until then, take care of yourself and each other.